Hello everyone, it's Ashwin Rao. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm slowly reclaiming my voice and I've claimed a new shoe from one of my favorite shoemakers in the world. And that, my friends, is Timberley III. Timberley III, really great maker out of Vietnam. Used to be named Hephaestus Shoemaker. And so I wanted to take you through this unboxing of a pair of monk strap shoes. Wanted to showcase the boxing because it's actually really nicely done. You can see it's got my name on top here, address in the USA, single monk straps, my size, the last, and even like a QR code, which I'll have to check out in a little bit. Okay, you can see that this has a little ribbon here, which I think is a unique little touch that Thanh does to present his stuff. We're gonna open up this box here. And if you don't see this, let me pull this in a little bit closer. I don't just make shoes, I make art from a Vietnamese shoemaker, so cool. There's a little label here on that, thank you. You're most welcome, Thanh. I really like your shoes, and Timberley III I'm very excited about. So we're gonna go back and open up further. You can see white shoe bags with the Timberley III. Definitely a step up from his old shoe bags, which were much thinner and less protective. And this is my first view of these shoes along with yours, so wow. So this is a pair of single monk straps made with a bison leather. And you can see it's a unique heel. This is called a Monroe heel. It's kind of similar to the Cuban heels that you see on a lot of boots, but done definitely more elegantly with a kind of a curve that doesn't just stop but actually continues. You can see a beautiful beveled waist that transitions into a nice fiddleback, and he looks like he did a really nice job putting my initial right there. You can see the all black, a little bit more mature design with the very unique script. Beautifully done. Toe taps here. Just a wonderful job on the apron. Three-piece shoe trees, which are fantastic. So that is shoe number one. All right, here's shoe number two. Again, beautiful shoe trees. It's a very elegant monk strap with my other initial. Beautifully done. See the detail taken just to create some extra beauty on the sole. The rubber heel pad, metal toe plate, squared off base of the toe that kind of hides this more soft square last, I guess would be the best way to describe it. You can see the beautiful work done on the pie crust hand stitched apron. Everything here from Thanh is top line work. He makes some of the nicest shoes I own. I really like the fact that he has a slightly more aggressive, fashion-forward, playful approach to his shoemaking, but the quality, the craftsmanship, and the desire to continue to improve is there. And every time I get a pair of his, I'm wowed by some of the new details that he is demonstrating. So for example, you can see the beveling on the bottom of this waist here, but how often do you see beveling transition to the top of the waist? And that elegant step off. You can see this beautiful fudge detailing and incredibly high stitch density. I think he's up to 13 stitches an inch. The blind waist here, very uniquely styled, and I'm very excited to own this pair from Timberley III.